fixed schedule in Meghalaya. Congress MP from Tura, Saleng E. Sangma, is all set to conduct a joint visit involving customs and BSF officials along Meghalaya's border with Bangladesh to verify allegations of unchecked illegal trade and smuggling activities. According to him, the continuing inaction to check cross-border smuggling is not only fueling the state's drug crisis, but also endangering public health, with children now falling victim to HIV infections. He asked why the government has failed to address the rampant illegal stone quarrying and cross-border smuggling, apart from illegal coal mining and transportation.
There might be lots of illegal smuggling that is happening. Now from Bangladesh to India, India to Bangladesh. What kind of products are coming from the Bangladesh, we don't know. But within these 3-4 years, what we could see is that rampant drugs users has already cropped up in our state. There was not much before, but now more than 3 lakhs plus addicted to drugs. This is not a matter of joke. It's a concern, not only to the Meghalaya, not only to the government, but to the citizen as well. Now our citizens should know what kind of drugs our children are using. Not only that one. Now, what about the infected HIV?